Hi. 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 Well, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing pistol only, and this is going to be like basically impossible. I'm also doing this by myself because nobody's online. I have no friends right now. Nobody's online. Anyways, but we are going to be using my cow pistol. I don't know. It's just a cow, okay? So we're gonna be a cow, cause
this is a cow farm. You're gonna find cows outside.
There's gonna be cows outside. Anyways, let's get into it. They don't want to do this. Alright, so this is the first one.
How many times? You mean the glazing donut? Yummy.
Brother!
What?
Brother! Brother!
Yeah, you guys have different glasses. You're not blood.
Oh.
I bet I have the wrong skin on. I have the wrong skin on.
Oh,
Yo,
brother,
they
this
don't have
guy stinks!
This guy doesn't have glasses. Where's my skin? Move, you little piece of crap. Move. Get it? Move.
Go,
what the fuck? I need to go to my guys,
Match started.
We literally just lost.
Unless you're pretty good. I mean, we didn't lose.
Are you a
It
girl?
just started.
Round starting.
You sound like a girl.
Oh, of course I do.
Not to be
I get
rude,
that
but
question
are
a
you
lot.
girl? Oh, that cat! Apex is one. Apex is literally one. Oh.
Okay, you go in,
How do you shoot?
and I'll try to kill them.
You want me
You
Round
kill them
starting.
first, okay? You kill them first.
to try? Well, I got sprayed.
Are they double teaming sprayers? Are they
Yeah,
double
they
teaming
are
sprayers?
double.
Oh, they are double teaming sprayers.
Can you please not use
It's for a video, bro. You're gonna be in a video at least.
Oh, wait a minute!
Round
Hi! Got one! Apex is kinda low. Apex is low. Watch out. Oh my god, you're at one. You're literally
I know,
at
I'm stuck! Yes!
Just shoot.
Oh my god! I'm stuck though.
Let's go, teammate.
Spray them.
I know. I have easy.
Round starting.
Oh, I got sprayed. He's using cross. Watch out, he's above. He's coming, he's rushing.
Where is he?
He's in the middle, like where you were.
Is he spamming? He's spamming, isn't he?
What up, bro? Yeah, he's spamming us. Pull up. I'm finishing this round somehow.
Oh, let's go!
No way.
I'm selling.
White's low. White is literally one.
Teammate, the other one.
Yo, you gotta kill the other one first. You gotta get that one
Good job,
low
teammate.
first, the one that killed me. Because
Okay.
he's better than White.
I have a dog shoe under this if you didn't know.
Here, wait. Okay, go.
Round starting.
Oh no.
Get him!
I'm coming up. I haven't come up yet.
Come on, he spammed me.
Good
They
luck,
double
teammate.
teamed and spammed me. You're cooked. They're double teaming and spamming.
Oh my god, he's spamming cross.
Alright, anyways.
Bro, can you please use a different weapon?
No, it's for a video, remember?
Oh,
Round starting.
we're losing now. Yes, teammate? I'm stuck.
Yeah, one of them is spamming here now. Yeah, one of them just spammed me.
One's dead.
You got him. He's pretty low. He's at bottom. He's right there. Dude, all you're doing is spamming. Alright, we lost. I know.
You want
I know. I'm using pistol though. Okay, let's go.
Yo, why you
go.
gotta keep on me right now, bro?
Let's go right here.
Somebody get 20, please.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Match starting.
We got this. I'm only using
Round
pistol, by the
starting.
way. Where did you go, teammate? Yo, chill out on the double teaming and spamming, bro.
Round starting.
Holy double team! These shits are so bad. They're double teaming again, teammate. Be careful. What? Alright, alright.
Okay, Caleb, check your
Alright,
settings.
one last game.
Round starting.
Aw, I just lost my first grade.
Just saying, I'm only using pistol, by the way. I'm only using sidekick, so be a little careful with me.
I don't care. You're only using freaking whatever it is.
What?
Definitely Clover. Holy dude, this is my first game on all day. I'm terrible right now. Yeah. So my teammate's using one gun.
Oh my god, team.
Just stop. Like every
I swear this
How
kid
did
is
you
not
have
killing me right now.
My sniper is not.
He's not even moving, what?
Round starting.
Both hold every shot, lucky shot.
Want me to show you again, bro?
I got second shot, 200. Wait, where the fuck is it? Did I him? I hate the new update. Cause I was in air, so it's still hard to hit.
Round starting.
Oh yeah.
Come here, I don't
so close.
My bad.
He's low.
I only use pistol.
What? How did he? Bye. Bye. Sub.